Did you just upgrade to Windows 11 and now you have this new start menu that you're just not sure what to do with? You're kind of confused about how to use it? Would you like this old start menu back right here? Well, I can definitely help you do that. I've helped tons of my clients do the same thing, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that in this video. So stick around and let's go ahead and find out how to do that. First, let's go ahead and head on over to Google and let's type in Classic Shell into a Google search. This is the program that we need to download and install. Go to their website and just hit the download now. Very simple. And you're going to go ahead and select the language that you want to install. So select that language, click on it, download it, and it's going to go ahead and download the program, and you're going to be ready to install it as soon as you get it downloaded. So go ahead and open that up and click on the exe, and you're going to go ahead and be able to install Classic Shell. Just run through the install. It's a very simple process. While we're waiting on the program to install, I'd just like to remind you to go ahead and make sure you hit a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Let's get back to the show. So after the install is done, it's usually going to require a restart. So go ahead and restart it up. And you're going to get your menu that you're going to be able to select the flavor of start menu that you'd like. You got 3 different options there. You can make it look like the old Windows 7, Windows 10, whatever you want. That's really up to you. This particular software has a lot of configurability for you to make that start menu look and feel the way you would like it to feel. You can also do a custom icon, so I'll show you how to do that. Once you select the custom option, you go to the location where you have the icons downloaded, start menu icons downloaded, and then select the one you want. There are a variety of icons online that you can download. Just go ahead and look through Google search and find something that you like. I'm going to select one here and put it in. One of the things you have to do when you're done is change the size. I usually think around -40 and or -50 usually works. Somewhere in that area. You might have to experiment with that to get the size of the button exactly the way you like it. But that's it. You can go ahead and have yourself a custom start button and have it look really nice. This program's got a lot of features and options, so you might want to look through all of them for yourself and see what changes may be in there that you might want to make. You don't have to make any if you don't want to, but then you'll have your start button and your start menu just like this, and you'll also have the old start menu as well available to you, so you'll have the best of both worlds. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't, let me know down below what you didn't like so I can try to do a better job in the future. I really want to make good videos and make videos that help everybody out in the tech world. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.